What's up, money makers? Happy Friday. It is Friday, May something. I think it's May 17th. Friday, May 17th. The title of this video is called Is Facebook Ads Dead? In a short note, no, it's not dead. As long as Facebook's around, it's gonna be the be all and end all as far as advertising and all that good stuff. But there is an cheaper alternative. Um, I know with Facebook you have to run several ads, may cost you several $100s before you even find a audience that then you can scale up. But with this new thing I'm trying out, like I told you last week in the videos, royalty. Um, so far royalty has been getting me leads left and right. And just for a short, and it's a fraction of the price of Facebook because I was spending at least $300 to $400 when I was running Facebook ads, um, just because Facebook is popular now. So the cost per click when I was running was very cheap. Now it's almost $2 per click because it's so many people and so many niches out there that Facebook has allowed to really charge because there's so many people out there. But again, let's get into the royalty. Um, so what I did was sign up for the $42 plan just to, try it out. Because usually when people present me with something, it's kind of scammy. You know what I mean? Everybody that brings you, oh, this opportunity, oh, this is gonna work, this is gonna do this, and it 9 times out of 10 that hasn't worked. I've been working it for a week. So far, I have a total of 13 leads. I mean, actually 13 clients, which is phenomenal in a sense that 13 new people in any business for what I'm doing, as far as credit repair or whatever, is amazing. I mean, that's almost what $1,500 a week. That's just on the credit repair side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of run through some of the stuff that Royalty actually has here. So I think in the last video I talked about the ads and stuff. So you can go back and I'll put a link to that video and let you know about the ads. But let's say I got the pins already and I need to add more. Um, So say I'm already at my 5,000 max, which I'm really not, because if I go back and like I said for a week, I got it in front of 1,217 people. 23 people actually clicked on the ad, and 13 of them actually converted doing something. So that's pretty good. Um, yeah. So I don't know if you can see the price down here. Maybe I should move this up here a little bit so you guys can see the price. Yeah. So the price just for 5,000 views. Um, and that's just not the click through. That's the views. It's 42.30 a month. Um, if you can't get anybody in 5,000, they also have other plans of 10,000. 10,000 costs 69 a month. 25,000 is 150, which is a fraction of the price I was spending on Facebook ads. Um, and this is about what I was spending almost per day or 2 days um, using Facebook ads, and I wasn't seeing 50,000 people um, responding to my ad there. Um, so yeah, this royalty is really good. It's when they presented it to me as the new wave of the future of um, advertising. I'm kind of thought it was whatever. it's uh it's probably not as good as somebody makes it out to be, but it's actually phenomenal. Um, so we're gonna go here and we can put ad pins location, and if you seen in my last video, it was in Las Vegas. This ad pin I actually moved it to Kansas City, which is a great area. I've been down there. I love their barbecue, so I thought that maybe I'll try it there. And again, I got it. I got again 23. You got it in front of 1,200 people, 1,217 people. Again, only 23 click through. And if you run any ads, even if it's Facebook ads, email marketing ads or anything, um, that's a very good ratio right there. That's almost 25% of the people that actually looked at it responded to it. So yeah, those plans are phenomenal too. So you can just click on. I'm gonna leave a link below. They do have a 3-day trial. So you can just come around here and play with it a little bit and see if you like it. And once you see if you like it, you can sign up. That's what I did. I did I didn't actually do the 3-day trial. I just wanted to get started right away. It's at $42. It wasn't gonna break my bank, and if I didn't like it, I could cancel it. And it was explained to me that I could cancel it. So yeah, this is a phenomenal, and I just been using it for a week, and 13 people already then hopped in, and I think that if you're like a real estate agent or something like that, that's that's way more than enough for you to contact back. So yeah, again, I'm gonna leave the link down below, down here. I think it's down. Maybe I should move my screen here. Yeah, it's down. It'll be down here. Again, um, thanks for watching Moneymakers TV, and we'll see you next week, Moneymakers.